Today I'm showing you a very basic sambal or chili paste recipe courtesy of Mom. This sambal chili paste is a base ingredient for a lot of Malay dishes, so I always whip up a big batch and keep it in the fridge so that I will always have some on hand. There's a lot of variations to this sambal paste, but this is the most super basic, super easy to prepare version. So let's go. You're going to need about this much dried chilies. My mom does everything by guesstimation. Someday I will inherit this guesstimation superpower. Till then, let's do it this way. I have 20 dried chilies here. My dried chilies are pretty clean here, but if your dried chilies still has the stalks attached to it, then please cut off those stalks, okay? You're also going to need onions and garlic, and that's it. Just 3 ingredients: dried chilies, onions, and garlic. To the dried chilies, we are going to pour some hot boiling water over them and let it sit in the hot water. You can actually boil this as well, just that my mom says that will apparently make you sneeze a lot. So, okay. The whole purpose here is to actually rehydrate it and make it more plump. It's done when you see the dried chilies kind of swell up like this. So this is the original dried chili in its shriveled up form. And this is the dried chili when it's rehydrated. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes for the dried chilies to rehydrate. Then go ahead and drain away the water and give the rehydrated chilies a couple of rinses under running water. Give it a wash 2 to 3 times to really clean it, according to my mom. Not sure why the boiling water isn't going to kill off whatever's lurking on it anyway, but yeah, mama says, okay. To my 20 stalks of dried chilies, I am going to be using about 3 shallots or 1 big onion. And I'm also going to be using 4 cloves of garlic. And then we're ready to blend everything together. You can cut the chilies if you want to, just so it will blend easier, but according to my mom, it doesn't matter, just add more water. Love it. To my chili blend, I used about 100 milliliters or just under 1 cup of water. Just add the water bit by bit until it blends easily. And that's it. That's all there is to this basic sambal chili paste. Of course, you can be a little bit more fancy. You can add things like belacan or shrimp paste, dried shrimps, ginger, lemongrass. You can get very creative. But like I said, this is the basic concoction and this is all you need for the majority of Malay dishes. It's super easy and yeah, try this. Make my mama proud. Bye!